Here we are at 18902 Meringue. Just finished up this project. People moving in this afternoon. We come in the front door, in the living room, new windows throughout. It's a 2-bedroom, up and down. There we go. The hall light is not working, so it's a little dark. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Nice size room. Bathroom. New vanity, new toilet, glazed tub, new doors throughout. Back in the dark hallway. Out of the living room, dining room. There's an extra little bonus room here on the side. Nice room though. It's got heat and everything out here, so. Here we go into the kitchen. Brand new kitchen, new floor, doors, cabinets, countertop, faucet. Gas appliances. And then down the basement. The new glass block. New utility sink, plumbing. Brand new furnace. Brand new water heater. Just installed. Clean basement. That's about it. 18902 Meringue.